VisualFox Pro 8.5 Pricing Management. Version 8.5 introduces the ability to update and manage product pricing in the one screen. The ability to manage promotional pricing and dates has been merged into the one menu option. Additionally, you may now select individual product types, groups, and subgroups to update, rather than the entire range. The system will now give you a preview showing the current price along with the new price and/or dates. Products may be deselected from the process prior to updating. Prospects Database. Version 8.5 introduces a Prospects Database. This is an abbreviated version of the Customers Database containing the main details, notes, and also contacts. The import routines have been updated to include the ability to import from a CSV file. At the point of searching for a customer, the user can also select a prospect from the left-hand menu. On Order now displays on the job. The job screen has been updated to display items that are currently on order. Line items are displayed and highlighted in blue. To open the associated purchase order, right-click on the line. Automatic customer price book feeds. With an increasing demand from customers to receive or have access to up-to-date personalised pricing, we have created a price book export which will generate a price list for the customer based on their price level, taking into account promotional prices, contract rates, and the discount matrix. As part of this functionality, there is also the ability to automate the process, enabling CSV files to be emailed to the customer at predefined periods. There is some setup required by the partner or support to make this work. Workshop Productivity. We've updated the ability to report on staff productivity. Under the product mapping in the staff record, you can set up the normal hours worked and associated labour codes. From the Staff, Reports, Staff Productivity menu, the system will generate a daily summary for all staff as well as a weekly summary. The report must be run dated Monday for the previous week. The report will provide a range of productivity and efficiency details and takes into account rework and admin jobs. Here's an example of the daily report and an example of the weekly summary. Prompt to order. The prompt to order option when converting a quote to a job has been updated to give a better indication to the user of on-hand quantities and what is already on order. Manage Products screen, Promotional. The screen now displays the promotional value and the to and from promotional dates for price level 1. Additionally, it is now possible to filter the products management screen by the date range of promotional prices. All inquiry screens. All of the inquiry screens have been updated to include an additional option to allow users to select the last financial year. Use quoted cell and cost prices on the job. Additional settings have been added to the job cost options to force items added to a job to use the quoted cell and/or quoted cost price. This is also updated when items are received from a purchase order. Swap sales rep by region. The utility to swap the sales rep assigned to a customer now allows you to filter by region. Customer and supplier contacts. The customer and supplier contacts screen has been changed to display all of the records in a grid rather than having to use the drop-down box. Pricing matrix. The previous discount matrix has now been updated to a pricing matrix where the company can offer selling price level less a discount, the current option, average cost plus a markup, or latest cost plus a markup. The options can be varied across the matrix, with some using sell minus and some cost plus. The cost price options are not dependent on the system setting. A mix of average and latest can be used. Multiple deposits on jobs. Jobs may now receive and manage multiple deposits. Retail Manager Converter. The Retail Manager to Infusion Converter has been updated to include serial numbers, manage duplicate codes and serial numbers, and an additional option to convert archived data. Fergus EDI. With the advent of Fergus as a preferred solution for the plumbing and electrical tradespeople, we've completed development to allow invoices generated within Infusion to be pushed directly to the customer's Fergus software. Management Console. The Management Console has now been updated to allow the selection of a dedicated location. By default, when it's opened, it will run for all locations. CRM export. The CRM export will enable users to customize an export for use with CRM tools such as Zoho and Suite. New and updated reports. In job management, job deposits, job label, job activity report, jobs opened by, WIP reports updated to exclude template jobs. Include an extra value in the job total summary box, the cell value of the billed lines. In financials, profit and loss by state/by department. Suppliers, purchases dual date comparison. Products, slow moving products, products with ratios, all products sold for less than a specified margin, product valuation updated option to only print negative stock, product transactions by type report, add the cost price where available. And in customers, pending quotes reports now exclude the declined quotes. Age trial balance with invoices updated to include deferred.